So in the previous video, we've established what IGP is, right? And that's certification. And we talked about this magical place called Gragnano. Well, let's talk about what this pasta maker in Gragnano is doing for us here at PFS so that it can be called Piancone Epicurio and be the best. One is they pass the pasta, right? It's only made from durum wheat and water. It's passed through a bronze die versus Teflon. Teflon's about speed. It makes a smooth edge. Teflon die leaves this beautiful rough edge to it and leaves it open, the pores open, so that when it is dried properly, it is a porous, wonderful pasta. Drying is next. And to me, it's just as important, if not more important, than what dye is used. A slowly dried pasta, properly dried, will leave these nooks and crannies in the pasta so that when you finish it in the sauce, that sauce goes in, some of the starch comes out. It's a magical marriage that happens. It's incredible. This cut here, one of the largest cuts of pasta in the world, takes 60 hours, 60 hours to dry properly. They use amazing wheat. They use packaging that is plant-based. This is some of the best stuff that I've ever seen, if not the best. Rich as well. Doesn't take a lot to fill you up. The cuts, pacari, right? A large penne. This one here, lumaconi, that looks like snail shells. This is for, imagine a ragu. I'm talking like a beef ragu, not from the jar. I'm talking ragu, the sauce, where you've got the meat going inside as well as out. Huge pasta when it cooks up. Wow, for Farley, a butterfly pasta that actually looks like a butterfly. Incredible. This one's known as cacavelli, one of the largest pastas in the world. Let your mind go wild on what can be stuffed in here. We have two types of fusilli. This one almost looks like something called trofie, perfect for pesto. You can see it's hand rolled. A spaghetti that is 20 inches long. You can see where it was dried and the loop is left on there. A pasta that is originally from Anelli, not from Anelli, from Sicily. It's called Anelli. It's a ring and it's baked. What do I see? I see tricked out SpaghettiOs for the creative chef. And then finally, a long fusilli. Imagine the fusilli jerry you can make with this for those Seinfeld fans that are out there. Incredible. Perfectly dried, perfect durum, perfect dye and shape. From the best pasta region in the world. When you try it, it will blow your mind. Only here at PFS, Maryland.